Hey everybody, it's Randy with Carchaeology, and I want to tell you a story of one of the craziest cars I've ever had, and one that I just got recently. It is a Tatraplan. Now, this is a rear-engined, air-cooled car built in Czechoslovakia by Tatra back in the 1940s. Now, I actually had a Tatra once before. It was actually a 1950 model, and I had a little fun with it. I lowered it, put some custom wheels on it, and I painted graphics on it so it looked like it was a Human Cannonball promotional vehicle. And anyway, I sold that off. And then a couple years ago when I was filming Sticker Shock for Discovery Channel, another Tatra came in. And since I knew what a Tatra was, I was the one that got to appraise this. Now, I actually knew the owners of this car prior to them coming in. And so we had an absolute blast, laughing our butts off. Just really had a good time sharing the Tatra story with the world. And it really rekindled my interest in having one of these cars, so I've always kept my eyes open for one. I missed the one that I sold, but as things happen, sometimes you gotta let them go. Fortunately, I just caught another one. This is a 1949 Tatraplan that I found online through barnfinds.com. They had featured it while it was posted on eBay. So I made a deal with the owner. It was in Maine. It was shipped out here to me. I hauled it back to the lab late at night. I got some great photos of it under the moon as if it was a spaceship that just landed from another planet. And then the next morning came out to pull it off the trailer and really see what I got. Now this car, the restoration had been started on it, as you can see. Some bodywork has been done, some assorted panels painted different colors and that sort of thing. But the owner had found a lot of the needed parts for it, stuff that was being reproduced in the Czech Republic. He ordered all of that stuff, and that all came as a part of the deal, which I was really excited about. Now it's fairly disassembled, but it looks like it's pretty much all there. There's a couple of odd things that seem to have been done to it. There were normally semaphores in that window post there, and those have been filled. So that might be something where I try to dredge that out. The fender skirts are there. The rear hatch is there. And overall, the body is really in good shape. It doesn't look to be overly rusty. The floors seem to be decent. Inside are boxes full of parts. The engine is here all in pieces, but it does exist. And I think it's a great build a Tatra kit to start with. The interior's there, and yeah, lots of little treasures. Now, I don't have a lot of time on my hands to jump right into this. So I wanted to seal it up real quick and protect it until I get a chance to go after it. So once I had a chance to kind of do my walk around and get it off the trailer, I spent a little time doing a quick scuff and then prime of the body, and you'll see the transformation here, getting a different color on it here and what that does. So again, the body's still a little rough. It definitely needs a lot more work, and I will get to that at some point. But for a short period of time, it had to sit outside, so I hit it with a coat of primer and went with a little two-tone just for fun. I've also gone through and found all the little shiny bits for it so that I can make it into the car that I dream it to be. So for now, it sits in the lab, a lady in waiting. Have you ever seen another Tatraplan? Well, follow along and you'll see more of this one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.